Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Rudi here with your yard service, and today, this is the special day. We have one property with cleanup for snow, or shall I say, freezing ice conditions? No, like freezing rain. Freezing ice is not right, Rudi. Anyway, so we have showed you that property before. It requires a lot of TLC, that is, especially in the winter time, because it's a delicate driveway. And let me take you along, and I will show you what we deal with. So hang in there and see you at the property. See you. All right, we are on location. Let's get out and let me show you the property we're gonna take care of. As mentioned, we had a freezing rain a few days ago. We have put down Icemelt to break up the layers of ice, and now today we have to sweep it because scraping is not an option. It will take forever, as you will see in a moment here. This is the driveway here we are dealing with. As you can see, there's all this broken loose ice, which is basically done by the Icemelt we have put down a few days ago. But as this is a paper driveway, you can only put down so much Icemelt before you break the surface. So that's why we bring in the sweeper to hopefully get to surface for hopefully the entire driveway, the whole area, but at least like for the main areas where they basically traffic. So that's the goal. The sweeper is basically all the way up to the front here in the van. So what we gotta do is basically get all this stuff out there in the back, because there's a ramp way there. Let me show you. So that's the ramp here at the end of the ramp, the van. So I have to unload all the stuff here to get to the sweeper way back in the front. So that's what we want to do. Alright, we got the brush out, as you can see. Now we're gonna get some sweeping action done on this driveway. So let's get to it. Alright, I had to switch cameras now. So guys, I did sweep round number 1, as you can see, but on the sides, left and right, and some other spots, there is still some ice remaining, so I had to scrape it off. So I used the scraper, and also now I'm gonna basically blow the stuff from the sides where the sweeper can't really get to because it's so cumbersome. So I'm gonna use the backpack blower to blow it basically into the middle of the driveway so I can sweep it off again. And then let's have another look how it looks and if we need to do anything else. So let's get to it. I say that a lot, eh? Okay guys, I'm going to take you on a ride for the BR600 backpack blower and get you a point of view how we blow it off. And now you guys, we're gonna do some sweeper action to get all this stuff over the curb, over the snowbank. So yeah, that should be fun. Good enough. So anyways, as you can see, we have to use multiple tools to get the job done right. So everything is safe and sound again. So let's grab the shovels and get this stuff over the curb so it's out of the way. And back to the backpack blow again to get this stuff off. This is just light stuff, so once this is done, the driveway is deemed to be safe considerably. There's just a few patches here, but they don't get any traffic. And then those big icy slash snow patches, and that came off the roof basically and dropped down to the ground. So that takes a while to break up and be removable. So let's get the backpack blow. Fantastic, you guys. So the only thing that's left, let me grab the shovel here. The only thing that's left is this little cleanup here. See that? So we're going to clean that up and then blow off this side of the sidewalk. So, and then it's all good and safe again. Awesome, eh? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudi with Euro Yard Service, and in this video we showed you how to take care of a driveway that has been havocked by freezing rain. So we had multiple approaches to get this job done. We had, of course, Icemelt to break up the ice surface so we can even remove it. The challenge was on this driveway. As you can see, it's all pavers, so you can just hose it down with Icemelt because it will damage the surface of the pavers, so they break down over time. So you have limited resources for Icemelt, so that's why we came in with additional equipment like the sweeper over there. But then again, we had to use other tools because the sweeper can only get into certain places and such. So always you trust the shovel over there. And we also use the backpack blower to move and clean up the little debris, icy chunks that would be just too tedious with the shovel. This driveway is considered to be safe. Of course, there's always going to be some smaller patches of ice left, but for the most part, it's safe for traffic, for pedestrians and cars. So that's very important. So you can invite people over and have fun in your life. Again, this is Rudi with your yard service. If you need any help with snow and ice management, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or leave us an email, contact@eurayardservice.com. And pleasure talking to you, and see you soon. Bye-bye.